We're here, Easter Day. We're on the ball field, but we're here to do something a little bit different. We got some boomerangs in our Easter baskets. They're Sonic Booma Wicked by Wicked. They whistle.
They do?
And they're supposed to be able to throw them.
They go back to you.
And they come back to you. So we're going to test these bad boys out and show you how good they are. What's your name? Delaney. Oh, here he comes. There he is. Come here, Drake. Come talk to the camera. Stop right there. What's your name?
Christian.
Drake.
Name's Bentley.
Your name's Bentley?
See if Dad can do it. Oh, it's in the sinker. Oh,
Hey, bring it over here.
yeah, that was almost
You're lucky.
in the creek.
Don't throw it that way.
Yeah, that's a creek, buddy. You ain't gonna get it back. All right, Dad. There. See, Dad knows what he's doing.
It actually shows you
Oh,
where to put your hand.
Right there.
And then wind coming at you. You want to throw on a 45-degree angle up.
That's on my name.
oh man, I was almost attacked by that. Lainey don't want to throw her. She just wants to play with it. All right, Gray, throw it this way. Wipe
I
out.
don't want to wear my shoes.
Pretty durable too.
Come on, guys.
Mom put it in, almost put it in the drink. He wishes.
We're gonna see if we can get Lainey to let us use her boomerang. Let's see who can throw it the best to come back to us. Almost lost them a couple times. There's a crick right back there. And
Ready?
Lainey's went down in but didn't touch the water. Or Grayson's went down in.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Bentley's landed way over there. Oh, it's all muddy! So guys, the Wicked Sonic Booma Boomerangs are pretty cool.
I give my thumbs up.
They're durable. None of them broke. And they were landing in grass and on gravel. Lainey was even drawing with hers. But yeah, they're pretty good, pretty durable. They come back if you throw them right.